Hello students, how are you? In continuation, this is our third video for application of derivatives, and in this video we will discuss about next topic, which is approximations. Approximations means in this we will discuss about approximation value of certain quantities. Approximation values means suppose that we have to find root 36.1, that is this root 36.1 is approximation value of 6 point something. So in this video we will discuss by using application of derivatives how will we find approximation values. So in differentiation, in definition of differentiation, we have studied in any videos, any book, we have studied about differentiation of the function. So let this is the curve of function y equal fx, and this point is pxy, at that this is x and this is y means fx, and neighborhood of this point p, and neighborhood of this point p is q, which is approximate to p. So graph is clear, we take it small distance, far away the q p. So q is x plus del x and y plus del x. This is negligible changes in the point p. Negligible means approximate to 0. That is, this point q is here, approximate neighborhood in the neighborhood of a q, p, sorry. So this difference is del x and this difference is del y. Now this is a right angle triangle, so slope, that is tan theta. Tan theta is perpendicular upon base, that is del y upon del x, and slope of any curve we know that dy upon dx, that is del y upon del x. So from this we get del y equals to dy upon dx into del x, dy upon dx into del x from this. And similarly, if we know that at this point y equals to, that is y plus del y equals to fx plus del x. So y plus del y equals to fx plus this, so therefore del y equal fx plus del x minus y, and y is fx, so this del y is also fx plus del x minus fx. So from this del y equal dy upon dx del x, we will find in change of a y. So for approximation, now we take an example. Example 21. 21 is use differential to approximate root 36.6. Root 36.6 को approximate करना है आपको. Okay, example this, use differential to approximate root 36.6. तो ऐसे क्वेश्चंस में आपको क्या करना है, जो भी क्वेश्चन दे रखा है उसको लेट करना है y plus del y. Let this is y plus del y, that is y plus del y equal root 36.6. So we have to find y and del y, and जो भी आपको पावर है रूट में 1/3, 2/5 एंड सो ऑन, जो भी उसको छोड़ के जो भी अंदर फंक्शन होगा उसको आपको क्या लेट करना है, x plus del x. इट मीन्स अप्रोक्सीमेट टू x plus del x. सो फंक्शन विल बिकम y plus del y equals to root x plus del x. It means this is a approximation point, means neighborhood point. Now we will take limit del x tends to 0. Del x tends to 0, that means del y also tends to 0. So del x tends to 0 and del y tends to 0 करेंगे तो ये फंक्शन अपना करना, ये 0, that is y equal root x. It means जो अपना कर्व था वो किस टाइप का कर्व था, इस टाइप का कर्व बन रहा है, जो y equal root x या x equal y square का फॉर्म बन रहा है. तो when put x और when let x plus del x लेट के आपने उसमें x को ऐसा लेट करना है जिसका स्क्वायर रूट हमें पता हो. यहाँ पे स्क्वायर रूट लगाया तो x इसके नेबरहुड में ऐसी नंबर हो, 36.6 का नेबरहुड में ऐसी नंबर हो जो जिसका स्क्वायर रूट हमें पता हो, दैट इज 36. तो लेट x इक्वल 36 एंड उसका अप्रोक्सीमेट वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगा, डेल x 0.6. तो इसको हम लिख सकते हैं 36 प्लस 0.6, 36 प्लस 0.6, दैट इज x इज 36 विच स्क्वायर रूट इज 6 and del x is 0.6. So y equal root x means root 36 is 6. Now del y जो फॉर्मूला अभी हमने पढ़ा था dy upon dx del x, del y upon del x equal dy upon dx. तो del y equal dy upon dx into del x. dy upon dx means इसका डिफरेंशिएशन करना है आपको. इसका जब हम डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे रूट x का डिफरेंशिएशन क्या होता है 1/2 root x, therefore this is 1/2 root x and del x, and value of x is root 36, del x is 0.6, del x is 0.6. So simplify this, we will get 0.05. That is del y equal to 0.05. Now अपनी जो वैल्यू वो क्या है, y plus del y. We will find y plus del y. So root 36.6 equal y plus del y, and y equals to 6 and del y equals to 0.05. To put the value 6 plus 0.05, so 6.05 is approximation value of root 36.6. Now example 23. Example 23. Find the approximate value of f 3.02 where fx equal 3x square plus 5x plus 3. Yes, in this example given that fx equal 3x square plus 5x plus 3 and find f 3.02. So let x plus del x is 3.02 where x is 3 and del x is 0.02, which is approximate value. Del x means minimum value 0.02. So x is 3 and del x is 0.02. And since we know that del y equals to fx plus del x minus fx, this formula we studied in starting. Del y equal fx plus del x minus fx. So fx plus del x equals to del y plus fx or fx plus del y. And we know that del y equal dy upon dx del x. Del y equals to dy upon dx del x. Here y equal fx. So dy upon dx is f dash x. So dy upon dx is f dash x. Therefore del y is f dash x del x. So therefore del y is f dash x del x. Now fx is 3x square plus 5x plus 3 plus f dash x. F dash x means differentiation of this. So f dash x becomes 6x plus 5. F dash x is 6x plus 5 into del x. Now put the value of x is 3 and del x is 0.02. So put x equals to 3 in this and del x equals to 0.02. Now simplify this, we will get 45.46. So f 3.02 is 45.46. Yes, next example 24. Find the approximate change in the volume V of a cube of side x meters caused by increasing the side by 2%. In approximate change in volume V में आपको approximate change find करना है of cube side x meters caused by increasing the side by 2%. Side में आपको 2% changes given है. So since we know that volume of cube is x cube, आपको find क्या करना है, del v find करना है. तो since we know that del y equals to dy upon dx del x, here y is depend on x and in this case v depend on x, so del v equals to dv upon dx into del x. Now dv upon dx is 3x square del x, but in this question del x is given 2% of x. 2% of x साइड में जो इंक्रीजिंग जो रेट दे रखा है, चेंज दे रखा है 2% ऑफ x, दैट इज 2 upon 100 into x or 0.02x. So put the value in this 3x square into 0.02x, which is equals to 0.06 x cube. That is approximate changes in volume is 0.06 x cube. Example 25. If the radius of a sphere is measured as 9 cm with an error 0.03 cm, then find the approximate error in calculating its volume. आपको वॉल्यूम में अप्रोक्सीमेट एरर बताना है और एरर गिवन है आपको रेडियस में 0.03 सेंटीमीटर. इट मीन्स डेल आर गिवन है एंड आर गिवन है 9 सेंटीमीटर. वॉल्यूम में आपको अप्रोक्सीमेट चेंजेस बताना है. यस, इन दिस एग्जांपल वी गिवन दैट आर इक्वल्स टू 9 सेंटीमीटर. del r means error in radius is 0.03 centimeter and find आपको क्या करना है कि वॉल्यूम में एरर क्या है वो फाइंड करना है, मीन्स del v फाइंड करना है. And since we know that volume of sphere is 4/3 pi r cube, v equals to 4/3 pi r cube, so dv upon dr means differentiation of this with respect to r is 4/3 pi and differentiation of r cube is 3r square, then 3 to 3 cancel, 4 pi r square. Now we know that del v equals to dv upon dr del r. Since del y इक्वल dy अपॉन dx del x होता है, यहाँ पे क्या होता है y डिपेंड ऑन x होता है, y इज डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल होता है, x इज इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल होता है. यहाँ पे v डिपेंड ऑन r है, जो अपना फंक्शन है v डिपेंड ऑन r है, तो del v क्या हो जाएगा dv अपॉन dr इंटू del r. dV upon dr is 4 pi r square into del r. Now put the value of r and del r. R is 9 and del r is 0.03. Then simplify this. Del v is 9.72 pi centimeter cube. It means when r में जो एरर मिलेगा 0.03 सेंटीमीटर, तो वॉल्यूम में कितना एरर मिलेगा 9.72 पाई सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. So thanks. Such type of questions are in exercise 6.3. So you will 6.4 sorry. So you can solve easily. If you have any doubt or any problem, then please put your problem in the comment box and suggest any doubt, any problem. Thank you. Have a nice day.